everybody. Saturday the 8th of February today. It says 1 degrees in my car. A wee bit of frost on the grass, but the place isn't frozen. So kids are at their granny's until after tea time. My missus is going to be doing some planting in the garden. I'm going to use that time to come out here and make another video. Usual setup, guys, bung rod. Today I'm going to be using more of Andy Buffton's flies. He sent me up a few just the other day. I'll show you a picture here, including some of his star bugs. I kind of like the phrase Buffton's beans, but Andy's calling them star bugs. But I'm going to use one of his dark wiggle worms with a little blue metallic bead on. I'm going to put that on my 5-foot midge tip rod for pulling later on. Just a 14-foot cast on that with an olive cormorant above that. And I just got my new True Fly rod. Just set up with a bung. Two flies. One of Andy's sunbursty ecstasy blobs, and a micro one above that I got from Alan from Fritz and Flash. He's fed me up a few little size 16 ecstasy blobs. I'm just walking up to the pool just now. We've got a southeasterly coming in just now, just a gentle riffle in the water. I would say that's ideal bung conditions. So we're gonna go and work a little corner that I like to do occasionally to start off with. Temperature is going to rise today up to about 5 or 6 degrees, but that's not going to be until probably 11, 12. This is only like back at 9 in the morning, so you know, at least there's no ice in here. Like, I'm gonna just chuck the indicator on at about a six foot depth. I mean, I'm not expecting miracles first thing in the morning because it's cold, but I'll see if I can try and hopefully wangle a lazy fish. And my pal Gordy's going to be coming out hopefully later on, so we'll see how we fare, folks. Let's see if we can get an early morning fish. It's quite nice here actually. There's a bit of drizzle. But I don't think it's going to be raining a lot today, to be honest with you. I think it's better be fairly dry today. So just going to see if there's anything down at 6 foot. Right in close as well. I'm not expecting miracles first thing in the morning, but it's the burner. All the weather starts to warm up a bit, but there might be a lazy fish. I'm going to go for my indicator flies. There we go, we'll see. This is normally quite a good little zone anyway. Should take my beanie hat, my ears are going to feel it. Okay, well. Ground's pretty solid here. Under my feet. Look at that. Just drift down. You never know. Could be slow for the first hour or two. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Up by the farm there, it sounds like there's a chicken having a right good laugh to himself. Yeah, nothing's happening here so far. I'm at a depth of 7 foot just now. So I fan casted at 6 foot, and then I put it to 7 foot. It's just getting caught and dragging in some weeds there by the looks of it. Yeah, there's some weed on it there. I'll just see if I can shake that off, can I? Yeah, I can shake that off, just a couple of fan casts, a couple of false casts just to blast it off. And we'll work our way up this bank, see if I can't find an area where there might be a fishy wanting to feed. So I'll let this drift through for a minute, and then we'll start moving further along the bank. Just give it a minute, just let it drift, and then I'll try another spot in a couple of minutes. Air pressure's air pressure's saying it's over 1012 millibars, so that's perfect for fish in the regards of they shouldn't hunker down too deep, but then again in colder water conditions they do tend to go down deeper because the water's warmer the deeper it is. So, but air pressure ultimately will hopefully mean during the course of the session they'll start to come up through the layers, and we could be successful. But the mornings here can be quite slow because it's very cold. Very cold. So there's nothing happening there. Just have a little flick near the reeds here. There's normally a fish or two lurking around there occasionally. Let's say I'll just go to a depth of 7 foot, because that extra foot of distance that you give your indicator flag can make a hell of a difference between going from 6 to 7. You know, just that extra bit can sometimes make a hell of a difference. They could be sitting just that extra foot deeper. Or it could just be that they're all fast asleep just now and not even in the mood for taking anything just now. But we'll persevere. Just slowly figure it through. Very slowly. There we go. 2 hours of sweet bugger all. But we managed to wangle one on a cormorant. Oh, she's fairly unit aldi there. Oh, thrashing heats a bit. Oh, that was hard going. Hard going. Just chucked on the 2 cormorants, 2 for real cormorants. I've got a black one on the point and an olive on the dropper. And this Raj has just decided to pop his head up, so that's good. That's on a black one. Excellent. Excellent. It's been slow for a lot of focus just now. There we go. Oh, let's get a slack on it away. Just sit myself in here a bit. Oh. Alright. Oh, he might just bolt in a second. Yeah, I think so. There we go. There we go. There we go. The blank has been saved. That's a nice little blank trout, that. You've got the cormage just in the scissors there. A lovely fishy, that. And I'll get her back. There's a nice dark green fish there. Off you go. Brilliant. Excellent. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. That was it. Just swinging. Just swinging there. Finally. That was just swinging there. What's that on? It was a very gentle take that. Is that on one of the buzzers? Or is that on the fab? It's hard to tell actually. I can't see. I think it's on the fab. Cabbaging about it though. Well, that's good then. It's on the fab. Look at that, eh? You give them a couple of buzzers to sort of natural, and they end up taking the bloody. What was the way that? Watch him drop a Ross. Or is he did? Oh. Oh, that rod's performing well. Good bit of stiffness in the butt section, I like that. Right, we're going to get you up. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oof. Got that cabbage in a bit there, that should be alright. I know what, come in. Come in, you. Nope, 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 nope. Come on. Come on, there we go. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent stuff. Took a while, but we got there. Shaking the hook out, which is good. Oh, guys, nice wee fishy that. Where's that? Oh, is it still in its gob, is it? It's still in its, just in it. Oh, it's not, it's in the net. It's in the net now. Oh, it's still a bit cold. Right, let me just sort of get this fly out the way. Because you got the line up in your gob there, fishy. Come on. Barbless hooks are an absolute pain in the hole sometimes. Right. Right, where, oh, it's a lovely coloured fish that. Been in here for a wee while. Lovely fish. Yeah, very nice. Right, I'm going to inspect you and get you back. Here. Okay. Nice lean fish there, Froggies, big tail on it. Off you go. Yeah. And one of these black and green ecstasy flies. I'm going to put 4 feet down on this indicator. Black and green, can't go wrong in the winter with that colour. And we'll just let this drift 4 feet down and see. So it's not too bright. It's got a little bit of green on the back, a little spot of green. We'll see if we can get something on that. But it is proving difficult for everybody today. I don't know. We can just try and see what happens. Oh. I just seen that slowly went down. That just went down very slowly. There we are, Gord. That just went down ever so slowly. The indicator just went like that, down. It didn't go dart or anything like that. It just went down very slowly. That was 5 feet down. And that is on Andy's new ecstasy fly. Nothing big, but I will take any bloody fish that I can get my hands on today. Whoa. Alright, that's good. The indicator's starting to work. Excellent. Oh, come on. Oh. He's giving it the shoulder there, look. Oh, no happy. Right, come on. Let's see if we can get you in. Oh, come on, in you come. There we go. That's only bung, Gordo. Excellent. There we go. Just comes out. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's Andy's new. There's a hot spot of green on the back. Black and green. Ecstasy fly. And we've got a lovely trout here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, you're a chubber. Good condition trout, actually. Let's have a look at you. Oh, guy, look at that. Very nice. Very nice indeed. That's a nice trouty, that. Just hold up the camera. That fish is solid. Look at that. Beautiful. Off you go. Off you go, chap. Off you go. Grand. Well, that's good. Thank you, Andy. Worked a treat. The weather's just ruining the fishing just now. You know, there's one or two fish poking their heads up, but I'm not even going to bother persevering with the dry fly and that, you know. So, folkies, I hope you've enjoyed this really short video. But if you've liked this video and you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe. It'll cost you nothing. It's free. And if you hit that wee little like as well, that'd be nice. That'll help the old YouTube algorithm out. Thanking you. We'll get back out again soon, folkies, and hopefully it's a bit more productive than it has been today. Anyway, thanks for watching, folkies. See you in the next one. Bye.